What's up, good human? I want to take you behind the scenes with me for a minute or two or three while we reimagine our ElectroMagnetic Brand Bootcamp. We have put everything that we've learned from running our program and our bootcamp multiple times with some awesome clients to make this reimagined version the most transformative experience possible for your brand. So I am a massive fan of feedback. You got to evolve with it. And we evolve our program and our bootcamp with feedback from clients, from participants. Both of these have been reimagined now for 2025 based off what we understand our clients need and what the community needs in order to thrive in 2025. Sounds like a political slogan, actually. So a little bit of background on the bootcamp. We created it, and you can see a little bit on the board there, to support our ElectroMagnetic Brand Mastery program. And what it is an intensive 2-day immersion into our framework, into our signature framework, so that participants can understand how all the pieces of the puzzles fit together, and so they can understand what they'll be doing. And it also gives us a moment in time to capture each of the raw pieces of data that are required for the workshops that follow. What we found is, with that view of how things work together and being prepped for, it meant that each week we were hitting the ground running, where everybody was primed of the work that we were going to do, and we already had that data there. So I owe a big debt to one of our awesome clients, Joe, for making that piece of the puzzle clear a while back. So thank you, Joe. Now, of course, the bootcamp is peppered, same with the program, with inspiring success stories that show that you can have success by following this progress. That's one of those things, like the 4-minute mile. Unless you see it done, you don't know that it's possible. So we want to show you plenty of cases of people succeeding running this style of brand storytelling. That's essentially what it is. But while this program and this bootcamp has been successful, we're not about to sit on our laurels. So it's time to take it up a notch. And that's what we've done. We've set about creating an even more value-packed experience for both new clients and old clients, because there's also realignment that needs to happen. You can't rest on your laurels, right? So that's the thing here. So we wanted to design a journey, and we started with this big, bold question for our team when we're thinking about this. And is, what does the ultimate journey look like to help you realize the full magnetic potential of your brand in 2025? Because a bootcamp can be an awesome transformational journey, right? But that's only when it's thought of this way and it's designed this way. So with this question in mind, this is what our team have come up with. And it starts with Recentre and reset with a simple mental model to hold in mind. Then we move to review, and that's to get your current brand position. Then retarget, and that's about your effortless audience, so we know who we're aiming at. Then we get to reframe, and this is about our brand new brand blueprint and how this fits with your brand. And then realize. This is about finding your potential, or seeing the potential with inspiring stories of people, brands that have gone end to end with this model. Again, that's that 4-minute mile thing. Then we've got realign, and that's bringing you and your team together to ensure that your culture code is on point. Then reveal, and that's finding the hidden losses and the profits that are buried in your business, so that we can bring them to the fore. Then to reconnecting, and that's with yourself as a visionary leader. And then re-inspiring with impact, simplicity, both in the model and the communication. Then resonating with your unapologetically awesome storytelling. It's got to be that. And then recommitting with your own personal action plan that you design. And ultimately to rise, not a reword, but it is what we're aiming at, to soar to new heights in 2025 with purpose and impact. How's that for an intensive 2-day journey? At a high level, day one is about grounding your brand, knowing where you are. You've got to know your start point. And then it's about realigning and potentially reshaping your culture code. Day 2 dives into inspiring and reconnecting with impact and storytelling. And we end with a personalized action plan, which I mentioned, that's to take you into 2025 with a clear path forward. Now, with this reimagined version of our bootcamp, we've added in some new tools and modules like our brand blueprint, which will help you organize your brand like never before, pulling everything together. Plus, we've added sessions like mindset and leadership, and that's to help you identify any subconscious blocks or barriers that might be limiting yours or your team's potential. So we have designed this bootcamp to give you everything you need to get clarity on your action steps for realigning your brand's culture, impact, and storytelling. That's so you can attract all the awesome people you could ever want, team and customers alike. The best part, this can be a brand new beginning for you and your team. The work can continue with our Electromagnetic Brand Mastery program if you choose. The support options there if you want our guidance. My team and I are so excited to share this bootcamp with you. Personally, I love hosting these things. It is live via Zoom. It is how I bring my A game, and I'm excited to spend that time with you. Are you feeling some excitement to join me in this? If you are ready to realign, re-inspire, and rise, then follow the links. They'll be somewhere around here because we do have an early bird discount of $500 before the 31st of October. There are 2 dates, the end of November and there is the end of January. So take advantage of that, book in, and let's get you soaring in 2025. This really is your chance to rediscover the full, true magnetic potential of your brand and make 2025 the year that you get everything you could hope and dream from your business. And this bootcamp is where it all begins. So join me in this and let's make 2025 your year. Until next time, be unapologetically awesome. Bye for now.